Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning everyone. How are you today? Good. Today we will discuss the material about greeting cards. Before we begin, does anyone knows what is greeting cards? Well, a greeting card is an illustrated message that expresses such as affection, goodwill, gratitude, sympathy, or other sentiments. Greeting cards are usually sent in observance of a special day or event and can be divided into two general classifications. The first is seasonal and the second is everyday. Seasonal include Christmas Day, Mother's Day, Valentine's Day, Father's Day, Idul Fitri, and graduation. And then everyday cards include birthdays, anniversaries, condolence, or best wishes to get well from illness. What is the purpose of greeting cards? Kira-kira teman-teman tahu nggak sih apa tujuan dari greeting cards atau kartu ucapan itu? Ada yang tahu nggak? The purpose of greeting cards. There are three purpose of greeting cards. The first is to congratulate someone's achievement. The second is to express sympathy or happiness on someone, and then to motivate someone on gaining achievement. The structure of the greeting cards has three items. The first is receiver, the second is body, and the last is sender. Receiver contains the name for whom this greeting card is addressed. Like example is Dear Anna or To my beloved father, and then the body. The sender can insert congratulations, prayers, and wishes in the body. And the last is sender. The senders include their name or initial. Jadi biasanya kartu ucapan itu terdiri dari satu helai kertas yang di situ terdapat banyak foto atau gambar yang menarik untuk dilihat ya sebagai hiasan dari kartu ucapan itu. Dan biasanya kartu ucapan itu bentuknya sangat kecil, persegi, sangat kecil pokoknya. Lalu biasanya receiver atau penerima itu disimpan pada pojok kiri atas dari kartu ucapan, seperti Dear Anak. Disimpannya di kiri atas. Bagian pertama itu selalu receiver. Lalu ke bawah ada body. Jadi isi kartu ucapan itu diletakkan di tengah, kayak wishes, ucapan atau doa yang kita berikan kepada penerima itu disimpan di bagian tengah kartu ucapan itu. Lalu si pengirim atau sender itu sendiri biasanya nama kita yang pengirimnya diletakkan di bagian pojok kanan bawah, seperti Your best friend Adinda Prasasti. Biasanya disimpannya tuh di bagian pojok kanan bawah si penerimanya itu, kurang lebih seperti itu. Here is an example of greeting cards. This is send receiver, and then the body, and then the sender, like that. Do you get it? Well, everyone, the explanation of the greeting cards, I think it's enough. See you next week with me again. Thank you for a great attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.